Hi, my name is Bryn Elgston.
I'm Anushka Chaudhary.
Michael Spencer.
And this is the Founder FAQ. Your questions, our experiences, and no script.
So the first question, what is
MS in
Entrepreneurship? Oh my gosh, it's so much more than I expected.
It is a small cohort-based program at UW. It's a one-year master's, and you really learn the process of going from 0 to 1 with everybody in your cohort, and it's a really special program.
I came to the US to get the practical exposure, to get the much needed experience here. And I think MS in Entrepreneurship gave me so much more than that. It wasn't easy being an international student here in the States, but luckily MS in Entrepreneurship made the transition so smooth. Second, can I join
MS Entre?
If I don't have a startup yet, absolutely.
The answer is yes.
Yes, of course. I had no idea before I came in here.
Some of us built their startup while we were in the course. So the answer is yes, you can still join even if you don't have a startup.
Absolutely. I did not. I had no real plan coming into this, but I feel like the iteration process over the summer and then learning how to really take anything from 0 to 1, you iterate on your idea that you apply with so many times that it evolves and it changes.
But the MS Entre is a perfect combination of people who have that experience and can actually advise you to be better. Third one, do MS Entre students
Actually use
The stuff they learn. I think absolutely.
I think the answer is yes. I still think back to the customer discovery. I noticed earlier in my journey, I was asking customers the wrong questions. I think back to the finance classes and some of the lessons that we learned there. I think are going to serve many of us well as we go to grow and scale our business.
You 100% use the stuff that you learn. Like everything from opportunity recognition and validation to pitching to negotiation. Like you learn so much throughout the year that you all have to apply in order to A, do the Dempsey Startup Competition as a part of the program, and then B, if you choose to take your business further past graduation, or even C, if you choose to get a job post-grad, like you're gonna use all those skills.
And my father always said that you learn business by doing, and MS Entre is exactly that. You learn by doing.
What makes the
MS Entre community
so strong?
Started out as a group, quickly formed into a cohesive team, and many of us, we would consider each other family now. So outside of the program, we're spending a lot of time just getting to know each other.
And we did things apart from being around campus, going for hikes, exploring the Seattle area. And I think just having that trust and ability to be with the other person without having to talk about just the academics. It's amazing that within 1 year, we were able to get so connected.
The UW ecosystem is so strong and diverse, and you have people from all sorts of different backgrounds. It was great being able to tap into the UW ecosystem for advisors and for professors that may not have taught us personally, but were still very invested in seeing UW students succeed. Why did you choose
MS Entre?
Oh yeah, perfect. I chose MS Entre because I felt like this was something different, entirely different from the traditional MBA courses. MS Entre is hands-on and practical from day one.
I chose MS Entre because I wanted to solve some of the most complex problems. I wanted to be able to create, and I wanted to be able to be the one that sets the vision. The tools, the resources, the people that I've met within the program, I feel more capable and more confident that my business is going to do well and thrive.
I think it was one of the most transformative experiences I've had in my life, where I've been out of my comfort zone, constantly away from home, not being close to your family, and being in that stable position where yes, you can have that confidence and faith in yourself, that yes, you have that support system that you can back on and get help from, and eventually start thinking about building your own business. I think MS Entre was the perfect fit for me.
Is MS
Entre worth it?
Oh, for sure. Honestly, MS Entre is so much worth it.
Hands down, MS Entre is worth it. There's so many great things that I can say about the program, but aside from the curriculum, it's the people. It's the people that you meet with inside MS Entre program. It's the people that the professors bring inside to give us real-world practice, and it's the people that we meet in the Seattle ecosystem. And a lot of these people can help you solve those problems, so you don't have to do them alone.
All of those late nights with group meetings and getting tired of the pitches, it comes together and it's all worth it.
I'm sad to see it end. I love this program. I feel like it's shaped who I am and who I'm going to be in the next 10 years. So I think it's been a great time. Like if you've ever had the inkling to start something, you would do well in this program. It would be ideal for you.
I would say just take that leap of faith and have that confidence and just go forward with it. I don't think there's anything to be scared of because this is such a comfortable space for you.
Do it. Yeah, I think the commitment, once you get past that fear, once you get past any of the ambiguity and you just do it and you just start moving forward, I think you'll appreciate it and reap the rewards later.